Hello everybody, welcome to Impressive Image Maker channel. This is Toshi Yagi from beautiful little island Okinawa, Japan. I'm a photographer. I shot this image for a long time ago. Well, 35mm reversal film, not for commercial, just for fun. I think I don't quite remember, but I think that's one of the assignment from my photo class. I don't remember well. Anyways, I was so young, and I don't know what the purpose of this photograph. I don't know the concept. I don't remember, but kind of interesting image, isn't it? Well, this is my subject today, and also I made this pencil drawing type image by Adobe Photoshop used filter called Find Edges. And I'm gonna make something interesting image, some kind of illustration type image from these two images. Let's get started. Okay, I have this pencil drawing type image. I'm gonna change blend mode to, let's see, I want to make it nicer color, nice feeling image from, this is kind of no saturation, huh? This is pretty nice. I mean, interesting, really interesting image, isn't it? Nice pencil drawing type image though. Saturation, color, wow, look at this luminosity, that's nice. This color, I like that. This pastel image, well, I'm gonna fix this, make group, then duplicate this group. Now flatten this image, then well, this is gonna be the base image, huh? It's kind of thin color, so I'm going to duplicate this layer, then change this blend mode to multiply, so the colors go darker. Linear burn, multiply, not much difference. Well, you want to change to multiply and merge down. Now we got this illustration type image. Pretty interesting. Nice pencil drawing type image. Well, I'm gonna add some. How can I use this image? Alright, I'm gonna move these two original image and pencil drawing type image, go out of this group and delete this group. Now we got three images. I'm gonna change name. Alright, we got three images, and I'm gonna use, and I need to paint some colors, huh? Okay, move this pencil drawing type image, move up, then let me see, change color burn goes darker, right? Well, okay, color was real nice. Okay, I'm gonna add color on background, add layer, and let's see, what color should I paint in? Watercolor. Let's see, this is just blue. Let me see, I'm gonna move this original, move up, then tone down about 50, half. Then let me turn it off, this pencil drawing type image, and change blend mode of this original image, 50% opacity to linear light. This is interesting too. Then let's see, if I change this sky blue I just painted, change blend mode to hard light. Well, this is normal, right? Okay, I'm gonna clear this layer. Okay, I'm gonna make mask. Now I want to see this pencil drawing type image. Let me see this divide. Goes lighter. Okay, I'm gonna duplicate pencil drawing type image. Duplicate. Then one is just turn it off. Then change blend mode back to normal. Or darken. Color burn's fine. Yeah, just leave it. Color burn. Turn it off. Now, this pencil drawing type image, this is divide. Now I'm going to make mask, invert mask. Then I want medium blend. Now I'm going to turn it on, this pencil drawing type image. Then this is color burn. This one shows overall kind of dark. Okay. Now linear burn. Then I'm going to make mask. Now can we copy this mask? Nope. So in this case, okay. Invert this mask. Now I got it. I want to paint, invert this mask. So which means this is a linear burn. I'm going to delete this one. Then duplicate this type image. Then change linear burn. Well, I'm going to invert this mask. Just opposite of this, right? Then change blend mode to linear burn. This mask is completely opposite way, invert. I don't know if I need this dark wallace brush now. So in this case, I'm gonna mask these. Yeah, I don't need this. So mask on this layer with same medium blend, airbrushing to medium blend. Okay, just wanna see if I can change color. Let me see, on this pencil drawing type image, if I paint down here, let's see, like blue, water blue, how it's gonna turn out on this layer. There is a blue here. Oh, wait a minute. I just want to check. Okay, let me see. If I paint down here, is there something? Yeah. There is a color, huh? Let me see. Overall first, this is a mask. I don't want. Well, first of all, let me check this one. It's not showing much. This is luminosity image. That's right. Okay, turn it off. Sky blue. Pencil drawing type image. Now we see this luminosity effect layer. This one has dark stroke of the water brush. Okay. In this case, okay, I'm gonna change this color. Okay, I'm gonna add layer, then change color. Well, let me see, just paint, test, blue, 100%. Now change blend mode to color dodge. Screen, yeah, this screen, hard mix, maybe hard mix up. Okay. Now I'm gonna use this. This is hard mix color. Layer 9. Okay, then hard mix. Where it goes, hard mix. Oh, there we go. Okay, let's see. Now original's on, sky blue's on, this pencil drawing image is on, color on this blue, light blue. Screen color dodge doesn't show, maybe only the color shows, and also should paint on blue. Yeah, I think, huh? Yeah, that's interesting. Okay, in this case, I'm gonna paint this brush. Paint on blue, then change color. Blend mode color shows up bluer. Yeah, I guess that'll do it. Right, and also I'm gonna touch up some of them, of this luminosity effect layer. Evolve. Okay, on this layer I'm gonna clean up, clear, then I'm gonna paint on here. Brush is medium blend, color is blue watercolor. Now this brush water turn into blue color, so it's looks alright now. Turning nice. I'm gonna touch up some dark dot. There's a distracting. I don't want to see this dark dot. Don't want to show. Touch up some darker ones. Yeah, overall images then. Look at this now. Pretty interesting. Well, let's see. Now this is a base image, luminosity effect layer, linear light, 50% of original image. Add some density on the base desert area. Then this is a sky blue. I may add some desert color here. Okay. Well, there's a texture. Painting to maybe stucco. So this is background color, right? Then pencil drawing type image. This is linear burn. Shows dark color, dark pencil drawing type image. Round with mask. I just hide this around here. Well, I may need some. Okay, and divide. This one is lighten up. Wallace brush goes to white. Okay, turn into a pretty interesting image. Okay, I may play around with add one more layer. And then let's make it much more illustration. Add illustration on this. Okay, on this layer, normal blend. Now I'm gonna find water. Brush library, water 2. This is brush, water. So let me see. Is it look like brush? Well, splash on the paper look like. Not splash like water come from bucket. This water is. So let's see. Kind of fun. This is gonna help some kind of image. Well, change some what's add. Kind of understanding. Maybe it's okay for with, without. this illustration. Just leave it this way, and yeah, I think that's it for today. I got the original image and the pencil drawing type image to make. Change the blend mode of pencil drawing type image, blend mode normal to luminosity. This is luminosity effect layer. A little bit darken the colors. Pastel, nice color, illustration image. Then I add original image, linear light, 50% to show up this much on this luminosity effect layer. Shows this one. Combine. Then I add sky blue with mask. Then again I add pencil drawing type image, linear burn, to darken some basement with mask. Well, I just hide around here the model. Then I got this black splash edge with divide pencil drawing type image to lighten up with mask. Okay. Then I want to see this splash of water, so I add color on this. Really feel it to see on this color, well, which is this watercolor. Add some splash edge, black line to change color to blue. Then one more layer, I add splash image. That's it. Well, that's for today, and thank you for watching my video. I hope this movie is gonna give you some kind of idea for your creative work. Changing blend mode, add mask, and get something illustration image in your mind. Well, thank you again, and you guys have a nice day. I really appreciate for you guys' support, and see you next time. Bye now. Ciao. Yeah, some kind of illustration. Thank you.